So Notion just released a new feature called Notion Faces, which is not really crazy stuff they release and nothing changing or game changing, but I think it's a fun stuff to do. So you can create your own character, and you have a ton of different things. I don't really think this is a big game change, but there's another thing which is really, really important and what we need to consider in the future, because Notion Faces just came out. Notion is putting a lot of effort into helping other businesses to grow, similar to Spotify. Spotify, for example, helps a lot of e-commerces build better businesses so they make a ton of money. And I think Notion is going the exact same way, because Notion is going to release their email publishing. And also Notion Mail is coming out pretty soon, which is also a big step. And if we just looking at the roadmap from Notion, there's a lot of things we can take us for ourselves and building our own business with Notion. And that is the thing what I want to talk about in this video. So first of all, as you might know, Notion started a marketplace, which is pretty good as well. So you can sell your templates. So when we are a creator, we can sell our own templates similar to Thomas Frank, which is first of all a pretty good thing because Notion is a DIY system similar to IKEA. And there's so much potential to earn money with Notion. So I think it's a good trend to hop into Notion and start getting more into the mindset how to use Notion and maybe to make some money out of it in the future. Because Notion not only included the Notion Mail, they also included Notion Calendar last year. So first of all, Notion, then they released Notion Calendar, then they released Notion Mail. And with releasing Notion Mail, I was already like, oh yeah, they're going into the business field quite strongly. And then they also published the marketplace with the creators. So you can sell your templates, which is also a good thing. And then today they released Notion Faces. So I just wanted to give you some inspiration that you can make some money in the future with Notion. And yeah, I would just give you an advice, hop on a trend because there's some good potential in that. And yeah, if you want to find out more about how to make money with templates and all stuff, there's a challenge I started, the 1-person business 90-day challenge. And yeah, you can sign up in the link below. And there's also more information coming in this 12-week course, which is entirely for free. And also, if you haven't started a business and you wanted to make your passion as an income, that is exactly the main purpose of the challenge. To wake up feeling motivated and finally start your own business. That is the main purpose of the challenge. So it's entirely for free. That's all my knowledge in 6 years of doing business, having my own startup, making 300,000 a year, which is not that much for a startup, but I mean, 300,000 is not too bad. Hop on a trend and see you guys in the next Notion videos.